one and all Ghana how or your presenter. I mean, watching me 39 times because of the NDC. 39. Yes.
Me who say video be air go viral. I say if Captain could just smart as well and eba no chire mu say NPP time no. Ye chire no mako 39 times. And the Captain Smart abedim komo we e media ne so. Abrana oil address issue be a happen between him and the Gomwan West member of parliament. Now or chala na ordinance e bona betia mafaka say hey krache. Untimi go to aduru from your MP. Captain Smart ka say no chire mu say NPP time ye chire no 39 times. Rade. No kra bi wo mu, eya no kra. As Captain Smart 39 times. You know, say Penyah, I present nothing but the truth and the fact. You will go into details. Captain Smart arrest, the genesis to the revelation, date, any time, any hours. Ne biaya ye check Captain Smart. Any number of times I check no. Mo ha no mo esem be sanemu. Am what it's about time we kill the jandam and trono. Ya doso. Wa Ghana ha no mo. Aha Penyah block me the best say dey kwan so. Obe me subscribe button so that over turn notification on for latest update. Taba chere wa dwe da mame. Ewa comment section. Aya no ahye amonu aso anya bi ahye. Na me kan for NGX Limited ena dia ma. Ade be fa problem ho omo ye bi. Na omo tunsu account burger for amasi fie na owo Ghana akra no wasi fie na se school be bia person tunsu e ho no ma frɛ NGX. Omo bo solar panel. Na say install power plant. Dum so e be no. O problem bo solar panel ade ama o fie, o schools, o hotel, o business bi na o run ade bia person onya solar panel ho no mo a. O frɛ NGX o meba abediza adwumade e de ama je say ade bia fa engineering hu bia de for NGX Limited na omomoa sa kwan. So now let's go to the story. Abusi hawa kaya enche bi na video bi pop up on the internet. Honest Captain Smart and I have encounter with the Gomwan West member of parliament our NDC ni. Captain Smart any benya encounter na omo chia no. Na ka Captain Smart nsa or chia ne se nsa ekoto na bati said ye panyini chia akora. Na ka Captain Smart ekoye that MP ni bi. But that MP no etwe ne ho e ba ka ye krachi dai sanchi ande mani enye ho e ma video no e pop up on the internet because one year MP no ni mo form ye honhom ensem ene ade je say na e bi di nkomo bebere e de fa ho and you know say obi chia wo na odun say e bo abati a e kire say ni ba ko no obro wo so an akoda nchira panyini emfa ne nsa nto panyina bati da bi panyini na chia akora na odun say asa to beti aka ho na kire say ono no bro wo so. But Captain Smart, I feel our person obey MP. Sitting MP. Oh, Chiana now the Zako Tuna bet said the way now could I be Chian. There be a janisa. But Captain Smart ever chile Museo. Eya good I say diplomat na kwan of us at the chair of Mohonia de Adena and Casamuno. Anna Captain 1282 Museo no call MP or NDC nation that mine no.
Tiano, Mammy Missa, or so no ye NDC ni mapa. Now or more watch
Or NPP, Mammy Troade. Or university.
Okay.
Women send on your test remember.
Oh, NPP ni.
NDC a thing. NPP a test con. Mumi so con go always invested, not join other group, not join the thing, another not join the test con.
Did just say Richard Jam?
I don't know no record that me and this NPP, you know, beside mama there. Time now my be you want do. Honorable Bokunsin more time. Joe Ringo one time. Mr. A. Nyaminum one time. Yea, Edufrunum one time. In yan namana na yan tetar NDC posters. Time I watch a constituency mu there. As in Ayazin. In Australia, very strong young men, 4 will be deputized as youth organizers now. What farm in Sami? No more heritage man. Man and Amadata Kwano, Debisu, I am for. No, him for that time, no him. I'm a Kromana Motuaba.
Okay.
Motuaba Waha, twice, and son and Yamaria Maduma, Murk from Murko Kumasi. Oh no, or Babedi MP, no, to about Hada.
Okay.
That's my mentor, I say.
Why NDC Nicholas Daga na guidance tears or no because of NDC Huntino. Honor Captain Smart MP for 39 times.
I mean, one and all year, all radio the TV down. All year, Juma NDC channel. Name one.
Nobody.
One and all Ghana how all year presenter. I mean, watching me 39 times because of the NDC. 39. Yes.
And I was, hey, now Captain Smart 39 times. That now you're robber, now you're criminal. Now let's go into it. The first time wa Captain Smart, NPP memum ya che no July 2018, ewo Koforidua, Eastern Region. Na NPP for omo National Delegate Conference. Ewo eho. Captain Smart ekobi. Program no go say Captain Smart abase. Oni boys be aba ho nam. Omba ele say, omo nyina say khaki trousers. Captain Smart address as a vigilante man. Pistol, Captain Smart eho. ana the boys no that goro boys no ma wan so obukura etuo obukura weapons e wo mo ho enam so ema BNI ene national security for ko check out that be captain wo ho fa de ne boys no ma ba ha no no and asia ne say ema that day na no ye guarantee be that was the first time Captain Smart was arrested. That time now a full NPP member o change say that person there or the ba ho no so that in case say obi free abonten ever be din kwasasem bia or the abo party members no by. That was his defense, but he was granted bail. Ye chinese ejano that day now. That was the first time Captain Koje Smart was arrested. And number 5 p.m. and I check Captain Smart. The next time I check Captain Smart in the NPP regime, 2021, 2nd December. That was Thursday, 2nd December 2021, and 11 a.m. And Captain Smart, eternally show so. I can't and say would you come away. He was inciting the military to take over. Gono akase soldiers for no sabe most of us want to say ye swear ministers in ye swear MPs in a mo ho no mu bi but so mo din kwase asema mo ntimi take action. He called for uprising. Just say soldiers for no mo so mo sorry waka enko to MP for no so sa, meaning say he was calling for coup. Captain Smart was calling for coup d'etat. Ewa Ghana ha 2nd December 2022. That day na 2nd December 2021. That day na yakwache no. Emma Ghana police had a statement with Eba Bontene confirming say yakwache that statement here. Superintendent Juliana and a tray as an insertion that category as I conference Captain Akwache no. Na ensem ku mi ensa ensem okan no. It's a threat to the peace and security of this country. Entini Akwache Captain Smart. That was the second time I check Captain Smart under the NPP regime. It is the next time I check Captain Smart. 12 January 2022. That case in say 23rd December 2021. And Captain Smart. Now there was a businessman with friend no Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah businessman or is the offer ma free tema port on tema habo ho no mo yi nema edi free no. Captain Smart ever trying to show so. I can say well who say mine no ye di ma bia mine na e na ho no mo. Say mine na ho no he will come after him and he will expose him. And a man no friend back was a cratchy. And come be na cost what you say. Wo di masem abetron show so nia de. And a Captain Smart say cratchy. There wo ye me hu. There are some fishy dealings be as oh ye dealing be what teba port no mo a. Oh ye ntwem fam obi na de be what teba port say mani ehu abomosum. On bese me go anu ase ene cratchy. Tua mame. Tua na men kili case nya sa de na me show no so. Megbo hu dawuro agu anu ase awanfo hu de wo ye wo ho no mo e wo tema port no mo. And Captain Smart said, "Oh, Benjamin, 100,000, 1 billion." And I got only a misre. That time, not dollar, I say cities. I got only a misre. 100,000 cities there. Mini be say, but my amount $10,000. It oh yeah, that payment, you know, 23rd December now, and a payment of $10,000. Emma Captain Koje Smart. All this can ask you, mother, scanisha, cratchy, scanisha. 10,000 pound a menu. Iswa. It don't for be a mecano. It don't for mecano. And as an man said, there be there Captain Smart in the year. So one way, yeah. Captain Smart about Jonas same way. So Edda blackmail no or the budget is careful no with the be that mine and cassa call or call BNI for office. Echo ye case say and Captain Smart and mayor. Now or the Yansa corpus of fast a Jimmy Hormuska. It mummy uncle no on quano. While friend says scan balance in the main family, it any 50,000 cities. May they call command on his studio. Ana bia na afodi akire tom ko mo twen kat obotwen man no e wa abontene ana man no nko this kan wura Captain Smart studio ho no mo e dey konto de koye no Captain Smart boy eye Copperfield Dazi aye body mra ne se DJGH boy ono ana sika no be si no so ona G sika no e de ma Captain Smart ko that Captain Smart e wo it ono na G sika no e de ma Captain say ono Captain Smart nya na e that connection we eti man this kan come am we no pia abontene ka say oh be this kan ko come no nyina e wo ho no mo the scan kwan ne boy no ana scan ekura no sisi am no kase ehwa na bia na fo ni wura mo go check Captain Smart and that boy ne ka ho 12 January 2022 and edo mu call remand the 29th January and edo ba court the Accra Circuit Court 6 it otewa for na case e won nsem Justice KK Obriyeboa on na te that case ne so it one way was okay ne monfa Captain Smart monfo mun kwahye mba na awotwe bi na after week time no mun samra it from 29th no yes I don't by court on the 2nd of February 2022 at that time Kajaka said there be only for he pleaded no guilty it to for Kasa na only for amate me mama ko mama mu bay of 50,000 cedis each with 2 sureties each and a court we almost setting no we be 12 month court we almost say akwese abeka se ombe meet ombe condition o makofi e to mo pia free court room hono na ana bia na ifo nsa peke Captain Smart yeah the bye
no ko oni jo
masem nyane say onko briefi BNI coordinator because ono na make arrest no go chie mutimo ko court o ene no de ko see ya no go and brief the BNI coordinator no hu de niema eko it one day in fact omu delay nkakra omu delay for about 3 hours enti time officer Eric eko fa that nipa 4 na because be connection obi ade 2 sureties enti that 4 sureties na omu be gina mu ame ahwe ama Captain Smart ene ko pafidazi bill no omeduru court that's a court upon e dey mo hian say ne ombe ebetwen na the next day no omba abe meet bail condition no na omakofie enti that day ne de do ni am ya grant omo bail anko abe meet bail condition but because omo call BNI for aso ye ekọ brief omo app nti no ade sign omo bail condition agreement ni do na say omo court upon ti na say the Captain Smart etwen o BNI for aso ye that night no oda ho ma ade eche and a report everybody say Captain Smart detained by BNI. It wasn't a detained. It is 3rd February. And a committee bail condition. And a coffee to coffee. Are there 4th February no? And a oba alive or starting a joint being a honor. And a coy to say me. Chamu chimi crown and hamio. Na me catch them. And this is time. Mahama any time else. Omo kambo mo 8 years no. Me Captain Smart omo cheme 189 times. Captain Smart say NDC government actually no 189 times on make it statement with 4th February 2022. Now say we calculations now on say afibia almost 12 months and 8 years no 12 times 8 let's say making 96 months 84 96 months and NDC government ever tena kunya so 8 years 96 months no who divide 189 by 96 months. And I say every month biano, you check Captain Smart 2 times for ever since NDC betena from 2009 to 2016. Ono nunko we say you check no 189 times. That's the calculations now. Every month bia since Ade Muhammad you dey atamis etena kunya so Emma Muhammad be kan ho egotwa omo 8 years ebo omo no. Every month near check Captain Smart 2 times. It means say now what you no be a near check Captain Smart na way nipa be. Captain Smart come on and say NDC betena kunya from 2009 to 2016. na watwe mienu bia na moche no ne nkoma ensem okachero say NDC for mo na watwe mienu bia na moche no ai we calculation say na watwe mienu bia na moche no and o can dance with from there there Captain Smart edin ama book mu biam say ache no Emma from time to time nsema na okeka na o make baseless accusations ensemuhunu saa so it was on 17th October 2022 kronemu ana Captain Smart betan the show to aka say Ekuford etu galamsey the entire yentimi to galamsey nyina Ekuford waka ho bi why galamsey campaign Emma ade achiye on the 18th no Ministry of Information at the statement everyone said there be Captain Smart once for work no hweye except na no order one ultimately can say Ekuford etu galamsey abra woni evidence false accusations baseless accusations but still Captain Smart was making noise until the next day 19th no and to be an for Captain Smart.
When the time to come before hearing, so why is he in the middle there? All right, check your hand. Go.
Follow.
19th na ye che no Emma that 19th na yesa ma Captain Smart Bay it the next day 20th October no I don't know ankasa ebedi dan komo we e kire Ghana for
All right, I'm sorry. Some will be actually, but let's see that for and there you are. Then, I mean, for when she said, "Now you, Captain Smart, you will we arrest you." You still turn around, they ask your people, say they'll be okay. Asia, the achievement in Kamenya day. Remember you fear punch and I said, "Mary Cotra will get to the chief." I make us some check and penny for them. You guys can go to hell for all I care. You know what? We are building a country. We are not building a political party. And there's a new Ghana, and we will surely get there. Almost a day, yes, my cousin, Nana don't church my wound to me. That's a peninti and Kwadai Lanka. Now, one country, na kind and carry for or county, like I said, Nanado. So when to me and Chicha my wound to me, no when to me and Stopping I'm saying, nature so you're actively involved in it. Yes, TV that. Because I see you have defamed the president. The defamation is criminal. You have a lawyer as a president, and this thing is happening in this country. You can arrest me 3 million times. Hey, and fat me. Bako kra. The TN say, we are the phone, me catch it. We are the papa, me catch it. Means we are the phone, me are the papa swaka. Say $1 na ko 14 cedis. Yaba umi ana way. Me NPP. Minja Kasoda, Obiasu himself MPP. Yen ba umiano or him. Sabi means Santa will cross one fast watch on what you say. And the son fast for and say, the dollar cost 40 cents. Jay could for time. Galamsey Kosu, Uluman, Bijan and Nim, catch and say, Accra. Said the Encrofoy Galamsey, as him a senior Bentani, as him a senior Bentay. Omo de DH. Yakobe be an Omokan when Encrofoy into and Kufuor the same year can say, who can want to move to Galamsey? We are seriously involved. Kufuor's word was seriously involved. Who did they actively get Ganayoya? What's this, huh? Say, hey, say the Yaka. Immediately, the President Kufama Yachu winner. Won't mean I'm not saying Ghana, as I said, Coco, a saying, so, or self forest reserve. Near to Groma say, Yakasade. Ubiama, me.
So these were the 4 times Captain Smart was arrested. Officially, he was arrested. But so a calculation now arrest with the NPP government, the personal arrest with the NPP government, 3 times. They happened here on the 7th of July 2018. Koforudia, I watching on the 2 MP for president. I watching no. The next arrest be December 2nd, 2021, or calling for coup d'etat. I watching no. The next time be my NPP government touch Captain Smart, 2022 no, or Kasaku for 2 galam say I watching no. Asa. The 4th arrest, you will be in a court. Businessman, Kwabram Konoma the Captain Smart, court. As a Captain Smart, Bonifaso, he's extorting money from him. 100,000 Ghana cedis plus 50,000 Ghana cedis, 1.5 billion. Or the DS carry a free no honor. And I caught that transaction. And the Captain Smart was arrested 4 times under the NPP regime, of which 3 were personal arrest by the NPP government. And the other one, the case with business members or Ordinance acquiring, extorting money from him. But Captain Smart, he go around, say, MP for 39 times. Now you NDC for so Captain before you ready for about number of say 4th February 2022, Captain Smart NDC for much 189 times. Our calculation say every 2 weeks be a mama move now check Captain Smart. But I'm presenting any single evidence. But we can't why. It Captain Smart you be a Sam kwasa akeka na wakeka say ye chi me 39 times no ye nkwasa akeka wa bodam complete wa tepraga wonim do okeka mamon fa nya asem aha Penyah block media ya kre janda no akra